here's something to consider. Here's something to consider. So let's just go to Amazon.com and let's just type in air purifier. All right, so here's what I have discovered. This has been something that is going into my warning, blatant sales pitch alert, into my advanced inner circle this coming month, where I'm doing advanced Amazon SEO. And as part and parcel of that, I've been looking at lots of different experiments all about ranking products on Amazon, including using PPC to do that. So this kind of comes from that. Here's the dealio. Anybody running PPC, which is this, on their products will get a instant bump in their ranking on Amazon. And without going into all the details of that, you get that because Amazon's kind of, in a way, rewarding you. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but really what it amounts to is they're rewarding you for running PPC. And they do that by giving you a boost in the rankings. So you'll go higher in the search rankings. Now, if you don't know what the friggin' I'm talking about, this is the organic search rankings right here. So this is all SEO based. And of course, you want to be on page 1 because that's where all the sales get made. So there is a good argument to be made to run PPC and to maintain PPC, just because by doing so, you're actually getting a bump in the SEO and the SERPs as a result of doing that. So there's a good argument to make for that. And that shouldn't be discounted because this is all free money versus this is all paid for money. It takes more money to make that money, if that makes sense. So there's that. I want to kind of lead with that because it's an important thing to consider. So now let's talk about how to optimize your PPC. So what I do with my PPC campaigns is every week to 2 weeks to a month, depending on how much search volume I've got running through and how much traffic I'm doing, I download a search term report. So let me just pause my screen. I'll see if I'm logged in somewhere and I can go and show you that shit. Yes, payments and reports. Sorry, I should have got myself logged in beforehand, but I didn't. Advertising reports, business reports, advertising reports. There you go. So you can run a search term report from your campaign manager in Seller Central, and that will give you heaps and heaps of useful data about what's actually making sales for you on Amazon. And then what you do from your report is it's pretty simple. You work out how much money you can spend on advertising for your products to still be profitable. And let's say that amount is $7 per sale. And so you look at everything on your search term report that's below $7 per sale to make a sale, and you keep that and you don't do anything at all to it. And then everything above $7 per sale, and you'll definitely have them if it's costing you money, you definitely have those. Everything above $7 per sale, what you do with that is you alter the bid in such a way that it would then equal exactly $7 per sale. So basically what you are trying to do is you're trying to get all of your losing search terms that are making sales but it's costing you money to make sales, you're getting all of those losing search terms to break even. So it doesn't cost you anything to make the sale, but you're not making anything to make the sale, okay? So you do that first, and then you leave it. And what will happen is you will panic next because Amazon will take a good week to mess about with your account and put your ads all over the place and relearn how to make sales on your account. It goes for a learning phase, and during that learning phase, everything in your account will become a complete mess. Your advertising account anyway will become a complete mess. Keywords will stop working, keywords will start working, and it will shake everything up in your account. And then at the end of the week, you go back into your account, run the search term report again, and see where the ducks lie, see what's going on, see where it's going on. And you do the same thing again, and you just keep doing that, and you'll find that that process of shaking up your account enables you to uncover new keywords, but also to bring your account into profitability, whilst also keeping your account ranking for search terms that may not be profitable, but at least doesn't cost you any money either. So if I were in your shoes, Janice, that's exactly what I would do in your particular shoes. Of course, all shoes are different, but that's what I do in that particular situation. Hope that helps. How often do you recommend changing your PPC bids, says Tracy? As often is required to keep your campaign profitable. So I've got some search terms that I have set up, optimized, and I haven't had to do anything else to them. I go back and check them, of course, but I haven't had to do anything else to them. I just kind of leave them running. And others, you have to change them every other day. I mean, it can be kind of crazy. It all depends. I've found it all depends how much traffic is going to that search term and how competitive that search term is. Because you're not really competing against Amazon with your bids. What you're competing against is other sellers. And so the more people who are coming in trying to sell on Amazon under that keyword, then the more work you've got to do on that keyword to maintain profitability. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.